I'm gonna go wherever my Tibco Business Work is installed. It's installed in volume D. For installation, Studio 4.0, Eclipse, and I'm gonna run this Tibco Business Studio.exe. Start it again. Just to launch. Starting. So it is started. So we don't need this. So first of all, we need to create a module. We will go to create a new Business Works application module. Click on this. Name a project anything. I will name it as project 1. Do this. Next, finish. So it's loading. Let's wait for some time. Okay, once you load it, you'll get all these windows. Here is your palette. So this is how you create a model. Now, in the process, you can create a process. This is the process which is opened up right now. Close. Let me reopen it for you. Okay. I'll just arrange this a little bit. I'll use a timer activity, add activity, timer, where is it? In general activities, timer, okay, add one more activity, log, add activity, log, general activities, join these two, this to here, and log. Let's log some value over here. I will say hello. Okay, now let's run this application using debug configuration. So this works. This application or debug. So it will start processing. Console. See, it is starting. Okay, still loading. Let it load. Started by Business Studio. Right, started by Business Studio, ignoring enable settings. Started BW application. Now you see it has printed hello Tibco. Okay guys, that's it for today.